Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I've got a bunch of stuff from QiYi. Let's take a look. So, ooh, that's a nice box. What? Okay. Let's start with the smallest, move to here, end with this. We have the QiYi M Pro. I don't know if this is a different, wait, this seems tiny. What? How small is this? Is this, no, it's not a mini. Why does it seem so small? Just it's in a smaller box. So this I think is just their M Pro. Matte plastic. Nothing super crazy, nice and fast. But I think they sent this so I can compare it, because I don't think there's anything super crazy about this one besides being the M Pro. The M Pro is technically QiYi's budget line, but it is really nice. It's a little bit more blocky than other ones are, but it performs well. We've got the M Pro V2. I am assuming, oh, UV coated. There we go. Let's open both. See if there's any difference besides the UV coating. Quite tight out of the box. Middle looks the exact same. So these two look very similar, besides this one being tighter out of the box. Piece shape's a bit different. One thing you can just see here with the edge, so we have that line that goes all the way around it, and we don't have that here. We do, but it's a lot more prominent. Like that's giving me vibes of sort of an older, what I used to see in like the ones from 10 years ago with that bump there. Now it's not a bad thing. I'm not saying that this is an old design, but that's just what it reminds me of. So the core has the ability to have magnets, but there are none in there. So I guess if you get the non-magnetic core version, you can just upgrade it yourself, if that's a possibility. So let's open this version, which I'm going to assume has core magnets. UV coated, that is very shiny. It is a bit grippier. I find UV coating grippier. I know some people don't, and I'm curious what the reasoning is. We've got repelling edge magnets, attracting corner magnets, core magnets. There's 8 core magnets in there. A little auto aligning. Is the center any different? Oh, we just have that red and maglev. And I believe this other one was springs. Yep, that had springs. Okay, I'm just going to do a couple solves on each just to get a feeling of it. I should even these out. Yeah, that's really tight too. I'll keep it. Two Z perms in a row. See if I can go for 3. Ah, J perm. Okay, let's lubricate it. I think I might want to loosen it just a little bit, but maybe just some lubrication will help. I like the stability of this. I feel like, first off, stable puzzles need to just be more common of a thing. Ever since cubing took off in popularity about a decade ago, again, I guess an extra, another boost in popularity from where it was before, things have just gotten a lot more flexible. And I feel like because people with more experience can control something, so they're used to that. But we're missing out on a good controllable puzzle, and this is that good controllable puzzle. Let's try this once more. Now that we've added lubrication, some jack-o'-lantern lubrication. This gives me classic vibes. This feels like someone took... Okay, I don't want to use a different company's name, but a Weilong, like a classic Weilong, and modded it. Adjusted the Florian mod, added corner core magnets. I like it. I really do. Am I going to replace the Tornado version 4 with it? No. But I like it. It's very controllable. It's not blocky. Like, it's not, I mean, yeah, it's more blocky than most puzzles, but it doesn't feel like there's a mistake. It doesn't feel like, oh, I need to change this. It is what the puzzle feels like it's meant to be. So like if I was to use this for a competition, I know exactly what I'm getting myself into as far as the turning style, what I might need to do to make it work. I know exactly how it's gonna handle. It's a very understandable puzzle. And this would definitely be something that I would have newer cubers use. Is this on sale anywhere? Can I figure out the price of this? I don't see it on sale anywhere, but compared to other ones, this is gonna be their more budget line, and it's a great puzzle for someone getting into cubing to check out and have something that has both the high-end capabilities, but also not feel out of control. Let's, real quick, check out the Spark 7x7. Now this might be a good video to do this into, simply because I don't know what to do for a 7x7 video. I'm not a 7x7 solver. I mean, I know how to solve one, but wow, it has been a long time since I have. So, you know what, maybe I'll spend some more time with the 7x7. I don't know, honestly, if I can review it right now in this short of time. I'm gonna have to use it a bit, add some lubrication, maybe hand it off to someone that's a really fast 7x7 solver. Remember how to do the final pieces of the centers, because I don't think I remember how to do that. I'll check my own video out for that one. But awesome. Thank you, QiYi, for sending these over. I think the big thing that shines right now is that Pro V2. It's not just the same thing, that it definitely stands out as a good puzzle for anyone that is still learning for what they prefer the feeling of. It's something that someone's not going to feel out of control using, but still get all those modern features. So thank you, QiYi, for sending this over. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep following SpeedQubeReview for more news and reviews.